Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Beldex account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Beldex account, firstly open your Beldex application. The official page of Beldex wallet will appear on the screen. Tap on Create New Wallet option. Enter your PIN code. Re-enter your PIN code to set it up. You can also switch to 6-digit PIN code if you want to. On the next page, enter your wallet name, choose your seed language and click on Continue. On the next page, click on Next. It will take you to the home page of Beldex application. This is how you can sign up for your Beldex account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.